everyone, I hope everyone is doing great and I hope everyone is good and healthy. So today I'm going to show you how to make potato masala curry and puri combinations, really good combinations. So let's go and make it. Here are the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. I have taken 1.5 cup whole wheat flour. If you want, you can take maida as well. That means all-purpose flour. But I have taken wheat flour for healthy food. And onions, finely sliced, chopped onions. A lot of onions required for this recipe. And curry leaves, carrot grated, green chilies, ginger chopped, finely chopped, coriander for garnishing, cashews, poppy seeds and urad dal, and cumin seeds, fennel oil and vegetable oil, chana dal, turmeric, salt, suji. I have taken maida whole. Sorry. Now let's make a dough. For 1.5 cup wheat flour, I am adding 3 teaspoons of suji, which is called semolina, and salt according to your taste. Like it depends upon how much quantity you have taken, and 2 teaspoons of oil. Why I added suji? Because it gives crispiness. Because of crispiness, we should have it's must and should you have to add suji, because it really gives very crispy to puri. And after this, after you give a good mix of all this, add little water and make a nice dough, tight dough. See, you have to knead your dough like this. Okay, you have it should be tight, and you have to knead it for 5 minutes like this, because it will be very soft if you do like this. So you have to do it for 5 minutes, and after doing like this, you have to keep it aside for 10 minutes. We have taken this much. Just make it round. You can make in whatever shapes you want. I'll make it round, square, anything I like. So see, you have to make like this. And really, puri and this potato masala curry is very good combination, guys. Really, trust me, you have to try this. The people who eat veg, it really be good. Not only for veggies, for non-veg as well. See, I have made it round shape. The thickness should be like this. Okay, so I'll make all in this shape, and I'll see you when I'm frying it. And 4 boiled potatoes, and you should smash like this. Don't smash too much. It should be like small pieces like this. Okay, this is boiled one. I have taken a kadai. It's hot, so I'm adding 4 tablespoons of oil. It's nice and hot, so now you have to add poppy seeds and urad dal in it. You can add how much you want. If you like more, you can add more. And after this, cumin seeds, a little bit. Be safe when you're adding this, because it bubbles and it will burn your hand as well. So you should be very careful. And after that, finely chopped ginger and curry leaves. Please keep it on a low flame, because it's already we both burnt our hands already. So mix it just for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add green chilies, and just saute it for 2 minutes. And next, cashews. If you want more, you can add more. And after that goes carrot, grated carrot. If you want, you can cut in small pieces as well. And give a more good mix for 3 to 4 minutes. Add turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, not teaspoon, it's half teaspoon. Give a good mix. As soon as you mix it well, add your onions. It should be a lot of onions because this onions is the main ingredient for this recipe. Mix it well. If oil required here, you can add oil, because for us it's not sufficient, so I'm adding oil to it. And now keep all this aside and add chana dal to it a little bit, because we don't like it more. Just for flavor I'm adding it, and just saute it all together just for 2 minutes. After that, add onions. Just fry it for 5 to 7 minutes. If you want oil, you can add oil to it, because for us it's very less, so I'm adding oil. If it's sufficient for you, no need to add, but I'm adding just 1 teaspoon of oil again. And just fry it for 5 to 7 minutes. Don't fry like till golden brown color, just 5 to 7 minutes. So after 5 minutes, it looks like this. See, you should not fry like golden brown color, it should be like this. Okay, just for 5 minutes you have to fry it. And now add a little bit of water to it. See, and I added water to it, depends. And after this, potatoes, the smashed boiled potatoes. So our curry is getting ready. So meanwhile, we will take another deep pan for puris and add 2 cups of oil, because it should be more oil, right? We will heat this oil. It's really smelling very good. See, it's looking like a restaurant style curry, the same way they'll cook. So now the final step, salt. Mix it well, and you have to wait until it becomes together thick. Curry is ready. The final step is just for garnishing. You should put on top of it. It gives a really good flavor, and really smelling very good. My pinky started mouth watering. She want to eat right now. Really, it's giving very good smell. Even the taste is really good. See, it's ready. Now just off the flame and close it. Now we will make our dough. Close the lid and leave it, and let's go. We will make our puris. It's very hot. Now you should add. Make sure oil should be very hot, then only your puri will come like this. Don't fry it for don't fry it. So now I'll make all my puris and I'll serve into plate and I'll show you. Here you go, our puris and potato masala curry is ready. So guys, please do try this and taste us and tell how it looks, and please do subscribe, share, like us, and give a comment how it tastes. And please do taste, guys. It's really very good combination, and it's very simple and easy to make on Saturdays, on Mondays, Thursdays, who will not eat non-veggies. So please do try, like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.